How to maximize profits and minimize stress. If you are one of the millions of adults who are unemployed or underemployed, the freedom and independence of operating a business from your own home is an exciting possibility that can easily change the course of your life. This hand-picked selection of home business tips and tricks will provide you with useful insights for your journey. Set up a separate email account for your home business, and stay on top of any email received. You should respond to potential customers right away, and be professional and polite. Email should be checked frequently. If you ignore inquiries about your products or services, customers will seek to purchase from your more attentive competitors. As you are getting ready to open a home business, enlist the services of an accountant and a lawyer. There are often obscure rules and regulations related to home businesses that are difficult to decipher. Receiving professional help is crucial to ensuring that you are doing everything you need to in order to be successful. Dedicate spaces or pages for banner sharing. You will be able to exchange for your banners with outer webmasters. This is an easy way to increase the visibility of your site on search engines, which makes it easy for customers to find your business. Working at home can make it easy to become a hermit. At times it can be empowering, but it can also be lonely being by yourself most of the time. Take time in your schedule to connect with others, and just get out of the house. Do whatever you like to do that reminds you that you are part of the world. If you still are not convinced that a home business is your best bet, you should give careful consideration to the tips and advice that you have just read. For many people, a home-based business is a ticket to independence, financial success, and self-sufficiency that simply cannot be achieved in the traditional job setting. Student loan.